I was in love with somebody. Yes, by the name of Loveness. That's the name, right?
Nekapulongondo napwa.
I confess
I was this.
to you, my brother and sisters, confessing.
That I've greatly sinned.
Please confess.
And I expressed myself for that. And I said, no, I've nothing to say. It was.
Ndebombera kusha ng'ombo nodati. Because I'm sorry, mami nshakwewe nangu nkwewe ninshwatawa mfwire nganjire emile.
Wait, sir. Wait.
Yes. So, no one is on top here. Just one job to find. Take over the